Today in geometry we're going to be dealing with volumes of prisms and cylinders. So first of all, let's take a look at kind of some of our big ideas. First of all, if I want to go through and look at volume, I'm actually figuring out how much space a figure actually occupies. Now this Cavalieri's principle is just that if two space figures or three-dimensional shapes have the same height and they have the same cross-section area every level, then they have to have the same volume. Now basically to find volume, I'm going to have to find the area of the base times the height. That's the way that it works. That way, no matter what our base is, if I find the area of it and I multiply it by how tall it is, that will give me the actual height. In a lot of ways, I think volume is way easier than that surface area stuff we dealt with for the few days before this last one. So on something like this, first of all, I think it's important for you to identify the base. So my poor little handwriting there, I just wanted to identify that. Remember, my volume is the area of the base times the height. That means the area of the base would be 24 times 20. And my height would have to be this 10. Oops. So if I multiply those together, I end up with 4,800. And because this is volume, it's now going to go to centimeters cubed. Volume deals with three different dimensions, so it has to be cubed. Now it's still the same formula here, but the area of the base is going to be pi r squared because it's actually a circle on the bottom. So in this picture I can see that my radius is 3 and my height is 8. Now this is one where they want us to do it in terms of pi, which means I have to multiply that part together. So if I multiply that part together, I'm going to have 72 pi meters cubed. Okay, now let's see if we can fit one more in here, just real quick. So if our volume is this, my first job is identify the base. So here's my base. So 3 times 5 would give me the area of the base, and my height is also 5. So 3 times 5 times 5 is going to give me 75 inches cubed.